From this equation, find out the value of a. First we can write simply this is the log a base, this is the log 2, and so similarly this is the log a and this is the log 4, and similarly this is the log a and this is the log 16. This is the 21 by 4. And now this is the log a and this is the log 2 and this is the log a and this is 4. So so we can write log 2 square. 2 to the square, this is 4, and similarly this is the log a and this is the 16. So 16 is the 2 to the 4 and this is the, and now this is the log a and this is the log 2 and this is the log a and this 2 is here, so 2 log 2 and this is the log a and this is 4 here, so 4 log 2, this is the 2 and 4. And now this log a and 2, this is a, so we take the common, so there is the log a by log 2, take the common, and there is the, take the common, so there is the 1, and take the this common, so there is the 1 by 2, and take this the common, so there is the 1 by 4. This is equal to 2 by 4. You can write this. So you can write this, and now this is, we can write the log 2 is base, this is a, and now this term is, this LCM is 4, so there is the 4 plus 2 plus 1, this is the 21 by 4, and this is the log 2 base a and this is the 7, so 7 by 4, this is the 21 by 4, and now this is the log 2 base a and this is 7, 4 is 21 by 4 and this is the multiply here, so 4 is 7, so cut this, this is the 3. So we can find out the value is the log 2 by a is 3. So log a, so find out the value is a is, we can write a is the to the cube, so a value is 8. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.